Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss few important points for your study abroad. So let's start with the admission process. In the admission process, there are few steps including your application, choosing the right course, right country and right program and right university. To start with the admission process, you need to first submit all your documents with us or like 10th, 12th and your degree till date marks or degree certificate. Profile assessment also includes your work experience, any internship, workshops, whichever you have done, including any social service or any voluntary service, must include everything in your CV. So for your profile assessment, you can contact us, you can visit our website, fill up an application form or a form with us, and then our counselors, expert counselors will guide you. Second is once we receive all your academic documents, comes your personal statement, letter of recommendations. We will be providing you all the assistance in writing the recommendation letters, drafting the SOP. But first, we would actually ask the student to write your own SOP so that we know how you portray your profile. Then my team will be there. Our team will be there to help you with the personal statement. Then once all your application and your documents are ready, we will be submitting an online application and wait for the decision for the universities. The university mostly needs maybe 2 to 8 weeks for the response. Whatever the response we receive, accordingly we will be directing you and advising you and give you the scholarship details, admission, fees payment, all those things will be done. Let us discuss a very common question these days the students definitely ask us is the living expenses in abroad. How to tackle the living expenses while they are studying their bachelor's program or master's program. So you can always go for a part-time job. You are legally allowed to work 20 hours per week, and during your vacation like Christmas holidays, Easter holidays, you can work 40 hours. So you can easily earn your living expenses from your part-time jobs, and we have seen students that getting a part-time job is easy for them because the universities are also taking care of the getting a part-time jobs, or on campus you will definitely get your jobs. So to get a job, what you need to do is you have to make a very good profile of yourself, a CV, and also the university will guide you. The career department is going to guide you with the interviews, and also they are going to help you with the companies who might come for a campusing. Moreover, there are manpower agencies where you can contact directly, put down your CV there, and they will shortlist you for the interviews. So minimum to minimum what a person or a student can earn from the part-time jobs, like easily 20,000 or 25,000 in a week in an Indian currency, which will help you to manage your boarding and lodging. So through your part-time and full-time jobs, you will actually get a very good scope to get an international exposure, practical experience where you can build up your contacts, know their culture, how they work. The work culture is mainly very, very important for you to know. And also after your graduation or after your master's degree, these contacts can actually help you to find a good job. So to understand mainly the abroad education, it's very beneficial for us as an Indian student. Why? Because in India what we generally do is only study and come home and self study, but abroad it's a little bit different. You need to do some research on your assignments, your projects, whereas you will be also working as a part-time job, and also internships are there. So the practical exposure which you are going to get is really, really very good for you. University selection is the most difficult part of your study abroad journey. To get a personalized counseling, please contact us. We'll guide you to choose the correct university, correct country, and also the right program, which will be your best for your future career. So to choose a right country, what we need to check out is the first, the weather condition, the programs, the university, the language spoken. Most of us sometimes the students what they say is let's go to Poland, Finland, and but the main problem is the language. In case the language you don't know the language, the local language is not known, then you won't get a part-time job or a full-time job. So we will always advise you to come to us, visit our office for a personalized counseling, one-to-one counseling. Will guide you with each and everything, right from your admission, scholarship, accommodation, visa application. Today we will be discussing your visa application for your foreign universities. So first of all, to get the visa application started, we have to apply in advance with the universities, get your offer letters, arrange all your financial documents along with your education loan or private funds. So you can contact Golden Compass Global Education for your expert advice and SIM process for your visa application. Here we will be applying for your visa application online, where we will be arranging all your documents, suggesting you what are the other ways of arranging your funds. Okay. Always remember, be confident for your visa application interview. When you reach the High Commission, you should be confident along with all your documents. No fake documents will be entertained, or if anyone is caught with the fake documents, his or her visa will be rejected and will be banned for next 10 years. Let's talk about the intakes available for the foreign universities admission. Ideal admission intake, you can check out the September intake. So in September intake, all the 12th pass out students can apply well in advance. There is an application called UCAS. You can contact us for the UCAS application. Even for the bachelor's degree graduates, they can also apply for September intake. And whereas there are other countries where there can be an intake in Feb or January, February intake along with your May and June. If anyone has missed out the September intake, which is the ideal intake for all 12th passed out students or any graduate students, still you have a good chance to join a public university worldwide, anywhere in Ireland, UK, Germany, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And you can contact us for your documentation, your programs, choice of universities and countries. We will help you with your application, visa process, as well as your scholarships. Let's talk about the education loan required for your foreign studies. So education loan can be always availed on the basis of your profile, your education you are doing in which country, and your plan, which program you are planning, your background of income sources, income tax returns. You can always contact the nationalized banks or the private banks. They are very, very helpful in giving you an education loan with minimum to minimum interest rate. For more details, if you want any assistance from us, you can definitely contact us.